Hey, what's going on? Aziz Isai here. So, in this solo ad traffic video, we will look at the best practices to get massive results with solo ad and also any pay ad. So, uh, just out of the gate, I want to clarify a few things. So, first of all, you know, the goal of any pay ads, including solo ads, is not to get sales. All right. So I want to clarify that. So basically, it's to gather data, to gather data, and then with this data, you will be able to see, if your opt-in page is converting well, if your email are opening, people are opening your email, so you will gather a lot of data that will allow you to know which solo art provider you will continue buying from him or not. So, and then with follow up, that's where you get sales with paid traffic and solo art including, right? So it's follow up email. Okay, so quickly, uh, as you may know, I did some few video on solo art. You can go ahead and watch them if you want. The link are in the description. So basically, I was saying that we have many types of solo art. We have funnel clicks. We have mixed clicks, right? Funnel clicks, mixed clicks. So all those type of solo ads, you are not the only. Your offer is not the only one that's being advertised. So most of the time, uh, all the links are in a rotator, right? In a rotator link, right? So and then you know when the solo art vendor send his email to his list, when they click, a person may have an offer A, or another person will get an offer B, and so on, right? So your offer is not the only one. So, and most of the time the ad copy doesn't match the sales offer. All right. So that's where the discrepancy is, and definitely you will end up losing uh, money sometimes, right? Okay, so in order, so that's where you need to pay attention here. That's the meat of the video here. So to get the results, all you need to do is simply to come up with a landing page that is very simple, something like this. You see, something like this. So here it doesn't say anything about your offer. It doesn't say anything, right? So that means no matter what type of uh, ad copy that your solo ad provider is highlighting to his list, you know eh, people just need to enter their emails here, and then they will get to the offer, right? And uh, one more advanced method is once people put their email, the thank you page, you want something to be like this, right? Something to be like this. So that means you will clear, you will avoid any bot clicks, any false clicks, etc. Or- so people who will click here will get to your offer, will get to your affiliate offer here. So those guys will be the real traffic that will be contabilized as clicks, so you will save money that way. So you see, So this method I'm sharing with you, this is really, a golden, a golden tips here. So if you want to get massive result with solo art, so that's something like this, to do. Very, very simple stuff. Very simple, really. Very simple and easy, right? And no, let's if you don't have a solo ad providers, you can try Glenn is very good, so you have Glenn, and you have also Shawn with his system traffic. So they're all good guys, so it's something you can try, and all the links are in the description. So, and at the end, you need also, um, you know, for people who can afford, they can try Optin Dojo. So Optin Dojo really will allow you to see your customer journey from when they're opening your offer to their emails, they're opening to clicking and then buying, right? So, and it's, if you're doing email marketing, uh, Optin Dojo really will help you, yeah, in the long run to save a lot of money. So with whom you need to buy exactly. So also let's see. So this is Optin Dojo. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I want to share something real quick also here. What is my presentation here? So sometimes okay, let's see here. And if you have your affiliate links, try to see with your, you know, if you can add something like dash source equal, you know, vendor one, something like this. So sometimes it's, depending on, which code you have used. So I know that a lot of, you know, um, uh, builder, a lot of funnel builder, you can use those stuff, those code, uh, any links, I think, and then you can track exactly, uh, again, which vendor is bringing you leads, right? So this is a bonus tips here. Okay, and if in case you don't have a product, so basically there is an excellent product, low cost, with $7 cost. There is $7 cost, and the product costs $7, and there is an upsell which is less than $50, if I still remember. And all you need to do is to add traffic in that system, and the owner of the product will follow up with your leads, and then any sales that uh, you made, you will get the commission, right? So this is excellent here. So basically, the upsell is used to boost your commission to 80%. Right? So you pay $7 and an upsell of less than $50 to boost your commission. And as we can see here in the Facebook page, we have Jenna here. You see, you guys, in 8 days, uh, she was able to get 2K. So this is amazing. So she's not the only one, and you know, um, as marketers, you know that results are not guaranteed. It's up to the person, to apply, to be consistent in driving traffic in their offers. Okay, guys, I hope you get massive value from this short video. And at any time, if you have questions during this video, please add them in the comments. We will talk, and I will do my best to bring you some answers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.